For example, the square of 4 is 16 and the square root of 16 is 4. It means when 4 is multiplied by 4 again, the result is 16. So we can say 4 is the square root of 16. Now let's understand it with an example. Let's see this figure. This is a square. The area of a square is 16 centimeters square. What is the side of this square? Do you remember how to find the side of the squares if we know the area of the square? The area of a square is side into side. It means we have to find out the number which when multiplied by itself gives 16 as a product. So which number is it? Yes, it's number 4. The sides of the square here is 4. Therefore, the side of the square is square root of its area. Let's learn more about square root with some example. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. What is the square root of 4? Have you ever thought, if we draw the symbol of square root diagonally from bottom to top, we will get the square root. Let's draw the symbol of square root. How many squares does it cover? Yes, it covers 2 squares. Therefore, the square root of 4 is 2. Let's take one more example. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 small squares. What is the square root of 9? Now, we will draw the symbol of square root from bottom to top. How many squares does it cover? Yes, it covers 3 squares. The squares which are shaded pink. So, the square root of 9 is 3. It's interesting, isn't it? Let's take one more example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 small squares. Now let's find the square root of 16. We will draw the symbol of square root from bottom to top. Now see how many squares does it cover? Yes, it covers 4 squares. The squares which are shaded pink. So the square root of 16 is 4. We can draw squares for small numbers. But do you think, is it the right method to find the square root of a larger numbers like number 64 or 81 or 144, etc.? No. Drawing a large number of small squares is quite difficult. So, how can we find the square root of large numbers? We will learn finding of square root by different methods in our subsequent videos. Happy learning!